Hey guys, so today I will be filming a get ready with me video. I will be using the Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette. This recently came out for their holiday collection. It has 4 influencers. So the reason why I purchased this palette was because of Twee. I am obsessed with her. She inspires me so much of just being yourself and continuing to follow your dreams, and that is one of the reasons why I decided to start filming again, actually to dedicate to film tutorials and videos and things that I enjoy. So I am really trying to not say the words and like throughout this entire video, because that is a challenge my boyfriend has given me. I apparently use that word too often, so I'm trying to think of my next words to say without saying those 2 words. Oh, I just said it! Okay, starting now, I will not say those 2 words. I will be now, it's so hard! I'll be doing a get ready video with this palette. I don't know what look I'm going to be creating today. I tried to film a video before this. It didn't go so well. I tried to combine the reds and the blues, try to make a purple, turned into a black mess, and maybe I'll add a clip of how it turned out, but my eyes literally, the fear in my eyes when it did not turn purple and I was in the middle of filming, yeah, the horror. Oh my god.
This is so hard. I'm really trying not to say the words.
And it's so hard. Okay. Anyways, I will be starting with a base color, and I will be using the color Beam right here all over my lid. So this is kind of like a get ready with me, also a review of this palette. The palette I've been using, I would say since launch day, so a couple of weeks now, and I've been using it on and off. I'm going to be using my type. So one complaint I do have about this palette is that it does not have the names underneath the shadows, and that is my issue. I mean, I get the whole like clear whatever they call it, to kind of catch the shadow so it doesn't go everywhere. But I really do prefer when the names are underneath the shadow, so that way I'm not flipping back and forth with the clear sheet. So I'm just going into my type all over my crease and on my outer corner. I'm using a pretty big fluffy brush. The reason why I'm making videos again is because I felt like time was going by so fast. I have been wanting to make videos for a very long time, and time was not going to stop for me. I'm turning 26 in 5 weeks. I've been wanting to do videos for like well over 6 years, and I just never did it. I uploaded videos.
I said the word. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna continue.
I started uploading videos when YouTube was first a thing, and then they were terrible videos. I think I still have them up. I really wanted to share my knowledge of all things cosmetics and skincare, and that is why initially I made the videos, and also my haul videos. Hauls was such a big thing back then, but now it's not, I feel like, a really big thing. I feel like opening PR boxes is more of a big thing, but I have a long way to go before that. But now I just want to share my knowledge and also my opinions about palettes, because, I mean, even if it's just my friends and family watching these videos, I honestly don't mind. As long as I'm enjoying making videos like this, that's all that matters, right? And it's like a nice, I don't know, output for me.
Besides, focusing on work, because I'm a workaholic, I will check my emails on my days off, and I've gotten a lot better on that. I stopped
checking my work emails because I find that I get anxiety when I'm at home because I'm like, oh my god, why am I not at work? Why am I not figuring this out right now? And that's not the way to live. I currently, which I should probably disclose, I work for Target. I'm an executive team lead for specialty sales at the location near my house, which I will not say. Honestly, it's been a rough ride. I was talking to one of my old coworkers, who's also one of my close friends, about how transitioning to Target has been one of the hardest things for me. It is probably because I have really bad anxiety and depression. Sorry, I probably should get the camera out of the camera. I'm probably making it not focus. But anyways, back to the topic. I find that the transition to Target has been one of the hardest things I've ever done. And honestly, it could be because my depression and anxiety is there, and I'll never be happy with where I am at. And so I accepted that, I realized that, and I feel like that's a good step forward. And, you know, it's something. I'm gonna stick with it. I really think I can make a change within the company. There are so many different opportunities that I see, and I frankly do enjoy it a little bit, but I'm not gonna lie, I do miss cosmetics. I really do miss being inspired by the people I work around, by their artistic, creative skills, and being motivated to do crazy looks. Being at Target, I'm not
saying that I'm not being me at Target, but I do
think about the looks that I wear to work. I do still wear like crazy looks once in a while, but for the most part, I do tend to go towards a more natural look because that's where most of our demographic that shops at my location, they look for more natural, and it's a more older clientele they appreciate the creativity on my face, but they're like, I cannot recreate that, blah, blah, blah. And what's really cool is that lately, ever since I started working at Target, I've been appreciating Target beauty more, because before I was like, no, I'm not buying drugstore makeup, I'm not buying drugstore eyeshadow, blah, blah, blah. But now, I honestly feel like I have more drugstore products and I've been loving it. I had to restart my video. It basically ran out of memory. I don't even know where I left off, but yeah, I feel like I can make an impact at Target. I'm really excited for the journey I'm on, and hopefully I can make Target be almost as comparable to how I felt at Sephora. I hopefully one day that we'll have beauty advisors in Target that will apply the makeup on and have the correct training and have people, dedicated people, like dedicated district managers for cosmetics and tech in Target. So yeah, so I think I'm good on the smoking out portion. I'm gonna start blending it out. I'm going to be using the Luxe 231 tapered blending brush right here. It's super soft and I love it for blending out my eyeshadow, so that way it's more softer. So I'm just going along the edges of my eye, and then after that I'm going to be grabbing a pencil brush, which I'm going to be grabbing from my Lancome number 16 brush. And I'm going to grab the color from Twee's Smoke Show. I believe it's called Makeout Sesh again. Honestly, I love her little corner. I wish they made a separate palette just for her. I feel like she would have the most beautiful colors if she got to make her own palette. But so far, her Smoke Sesh colors that she chose, I really like them a lot. And I'm just gonna be adding Hookup. See how I have to keep flipping to the clear protective sheet?
It's really annoying.
The fun part. I will be adding the inner corner color, which I will be grabbing from the After Party section. Warm up the product, so I'm going to use Ghosted into my inner corner. And it's a nice like iridescent blue, baby blue. And I feel like when you put the love balm on top, it just creates a
really pretty color. And I just accidentally touched the blue, so we're just gonna go into the blue and put it in my inner.
So then now I'm gonna go back into Ghosted with the blue, and I'm gonna put it on my center of my eye to kind of create a nice transition to the inner corner. So that way it's not too crazy. So it went from like a nice brown to like a crazy blue eye look. So, I mean, it's not bad. I like it. It's a surprise, that's for sure. But I did that with the look. I need to use getting really indecisive right now. So I'm going to use White Rabbit and just place it on top of Phantom. So that way it has the chunkier glitter. It's all one. Wow, that look just went super. This is what happened the last video that I just deleted, so. Looks a little crazy right now because I don't have my brows, the eyeliner, everything, so trust me, it is a process. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to be using my Kat Von D number 70 brush. I'm using now the Sigma Define and Pose Brow Pomade in medium for my brows. So as I'm putting these lashes on, let me tell you about my opinion about the 39L Hit the Lights palette. I honestly don't hate the palette. I really do think that you can make multiple looks with the palette. I just wish there was purples in it. And that's my one complaint. A purple and a nice light matte color. Like a cream color to
use as a base shadow.
Because sometimes you don't want to use shimmer as your base, and I feel like that's what is lacking, is that one essential shade to make this palette your essential. Like you could travel with this palette. I feel like that's the one thing it's missing, plus the purple. So two things. Missing the purple shades, a nice like purple, because I tried to mix the blue and red, and hopefully I put it into this video, but it was a fail. It was a hard fail, and I'm actually I really do like this look, how it came out. So I have my lashes on now. I basically just need to put my lip on, but I'm just gonna put a wet cherry gloss on the entire look. This is bitter cherry, by the way. So this is my holiday Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette look with a hint of lemon head to save the day because I accidentally put blue in my inner corners, but you know what, I still do like this look a lot. This is my comeback video, basically, stating that I will be making videos weekly. I'm going to start trying to make more intricate looks. This was kind of just like a test to kind of see like what it looks like on the camera, if anyone's interested. But honestly, like if my friends and family and like co-workers watch my YouTube and that's it, that's fine. This is just a great output I have just to kind of relax and unwind, just so I'm not having Target on my mind all the time. So hopefully you guys like it. Let me know what videos you'd like to watch, and next time I will see you guys later. Bye.